Quang Ngai House by 6717 Studio in CCHA with acute NH, Vietnam. With the non-stop advancement of modern cities, narrow, crowded blocks of houses and busy streets have sprung up like wildfire across the globe. And it is precisely when faced with these unstoppable modern trends that people begin to appreciate and remember their childhood homes. Therefore, the project aims to bring back the nostalgic and peaceful life of the early days to the owners with the help of modern architecture. The boundary, often understood as a clear separation between inside and outside, between one side and the other, is an unbreakable border with the sole purpose of separating and protecting. The limited and fragmented spaces in the city only reinforce such definitions. Quang Ngai House brings a different perspective to what boundary means, where they are not to separate but to connect and create comfort for those who reside within. As the materials used for generations, bricks are used to create the courtyard and fences, bringing a sense of familiarity and gentleness. Sometimes, fences are not to separate or protect but only gently rise to mark a small private corner of the owner's life. The courtyard is like an extension of the interior space, and it is where private life connects with the outside world. From the courtyard, the bright, tropical sunlight becomes soft and gradually transforms into the darker shades of the furniture. The climate inside the house, thanks to the courtyard, will be regulated to bring comfort and relaxation, creating a sense of intimacy and connection between nature and the passing of time. Light is focused and utilized in many different ways, from the internal courtyards, skylights, and glass windows, creating a transition between the interior and exterior space while increasing the depth and perception of space at different times of the day. The nostalgia of the past is present in Quang Ngai House through the arrangement of the altar at the center of the house, which easily connects all living spaces on the ground floor, creating convenience for the elderly and adding warmth and coziness for the whole family. In addition, the image of the Bin Phong, an artistically carved screen and water surface, often seen in the vernacular architecture, is reproduced in Quang Ngai House with a modern language, bringing elegance and adding a personal touch to the altar. It affirms the connection between spiritual life and modern life. The bedroom is located at the end of the house, the lower house, creating tranquility and privacy while ensuring a connection with other living spaces. Furthermore, the balcony and the courtyard bring openness and expand the view of the green space behind the rooms. Minimalist furniture aims to increase flexibility in utilizing space. Inspired by the modern but not separated from the traditions, the reuse of old furniture is emphasized, such as the old fawn or the familiar altar the owner has been attached to for a long time.